Hey, I've been thinking, there's something I want to talk to you about.
Sure. What's on your mind?
Well, I've been thinking a lot about us lately, and I realized that I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Wait, what do you mean?
I mean, I want you to be my wife. I want to marry you.
Oh, I don't know what to say.
Say yes. Say you'll marry me.
I don't think of you that way.
What do you mean? We've been together for so long. We spend all our time together. We're practically inseparable.
I know, but I've always thought of us as just really close friends. I never thought of you as my boyfriend.
But we do everything together. We hold hands, we cuddle, we even kiss sometimes.
I know, but I guess I just never thought of it that way.
So you've been leading me on all this time?
No, it's not like that. I genuinely care about you. I never thought of us as being in a romantic relationship.
But I love you. I've loved you for as long as I can remember. How can you not see that?
I'm sorry. I need some time to process all of this.
Okay. Take all the time you need. Hey, can we talk?
Yeah, of course.
I've been doing a lot of thinking since we last talked, and I realized that I haven't been fair to you.
What do you mean?
I've been expecting you to see me as your boyfriend without actually telling you how I feel. I realize now that's not fair to you.
I appreciate you saying that.
I want you to know that I respect your feelings, and I don't want to pressure you into anything you're not comfortable with. But I also want you to know how much you mean to me.
I understand. And I want you to know that I care about you too, more than you'll ever know.
So where do we go from here?
I think we should take things slow and see where it leads us. But I'm open to exploring the possibility of us being more than just friends.
That's all I can ask for. Thank you for being honest with me.
Thank you for understanding.